Okay, I just got them hooked up to my little Kinter amplifier there. I don't have anything else on hand right now, so this will just have to do. And just play through a couple songs here real quick, and yeah, see how they sound. You know our love was meant to be the kind of love that lasts forever. And I want you here with me. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, they seem to be working great. Not getting any weird vibrations. At least not that I can hear in person. I don't think you guys are gonna be able to tell much since I'm recording this with my phone. But yeah, they sound great. I mean, for old Sansui speakers. Yeah, probably just check over a few more things and get the grills cleaned up a little bit and put back on, and the owner can come get them. I know he's got a bunch of other Sansui stuff, so he'll probably be hooking up to a Sansui amp and turntable for a pretty nice setup. So that's it for me. I'm Jesse from Iowa Audio Review. Like and subscribe if you want. If not, just enjoy whatever. I really just do these videos to for myself, and it's mostly just to help other people out if they're working on old speakers like this. It's not a guide, but they can at least see what I did, and keep these old speakers around and keep them working. All right, later.